Are you experiencing error SU-42118-6 while updating the PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the console. When you are getting SU-42118-6 error on PS5, the first thing you can do is restart your PS5 console. Press the PS button on your controller to open the control center. Select Power, choose Restart PS5 option. Once the device restarts, check if this could resolve the issue. Method 2. Restart the router. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do that, turn off your router and modem. Wait at least 5 minutes. Turn them back on and check that if that could resolve the issue. Method 3. Delete recent updates. The next thing you can do is delete the recent updates. To do that, on your PS5, go to home screen and press the PS button and head to the notification area. Now select the most recent system software update and choose delete notification. Method 4. Check for latest updates. Once you have deleted the update as explained in the previous method, go back to the main menu and navigate to Settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Method 5. Check the HDMI cable. Make sure to check the HDMI cables connecting the PS5 and the television set or display monitor. In case they are broken or damaged, you will get errors like this. So disconnect the HDMI cable and wait for a few seconds. Minutely check for any damage. Reconnect the cable and restart the console. You may try another cable and restart your gaming console to see if this fixes the problem. Method 6. Reset the PS5 console. If the method shown did not help to fix the issue, you can reset the console and then set it up as a new and try to log in. But make sure you take a backup of all your important data, as resetting will delete all the settings and save data on the console. To reset the PS5 console, head to the console settings. Then select System. From System Software, go to the Reset options. Select Reset your console option. Confirm if prompted and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 7. Contact PlayStation support. If the previous methods shown did not resolve the issue, you may need to contact PlayStation support for further assistance. State your problem and follow the instructions provided by their experts to address the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing error SU-42118-6 while updating the PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products we have used in this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.